could not and could not let could not let go. So and the head give up and let the tail be the leader. And the head did not want to help the tail. The tail couldn't see where to go, and so it fell into a fire pit and burned into that. So in this title is that it hurt both sides when we quarrel with each other. We do need to, or we do not to fight with each other. And I've got something in this title is that it's not the way to solve the problem if we complain with each other or argument. We need to listen to each other and we need to calm down and understand